Hello, it's Mitch Starr, President and founder of ZinMarketing.com, and today we're going to talk about pop-ups, the subject that everyone loves to hate. So I'm just going to start this presentation. I'm not going to try and justify pop-ups or explain why they're good. They just work. So if you don't like them, do not watch this presentation. But if you like growing your list in a super fast way and getting more leads at a higher pace, you might want to watch and learn from some of the people that are doing a really good job of pop-ups. Today I'm just going to share with you 3 simple strategies, so we'll jump right in on how to do them. A lot of e-commerce sites are a little bit reticent to put anything in front of their customers right in the center of the screen because they don't like the annoyance factor. But one thing you can do is put a little slider that kind of slides in from the side or slides in from the bottom of your screen. Here's an example of a slider that comes in from the left side, and it's basically a sweepstakes offer. So people visiting this e-commerce site will look around, they'll see some things. The slider will come in from the right-hand side. It's quiet, it's unobtrusive, and it has a $5,000 cash giveaway. So it's really just asking for an email address, giving you a chance to win, and simple as that. So unobtrusive, slider comes in and you can get sliders to do all kinds of different things. My 2 pieces of advice is think through a really good offer that you can use on the slider, and number 2, practice putting it in different places, from the right, from the left, from the bottom. Give it different timings, but basically this is a nice unobtrusive pop-up that you can try. E-commerce providers in particular have success with this. The next one is the traditional pop-up, the one that we all love to hate. I think the most important thing about these pop-ups is that you have a good offer. You think through and discover what is the best offer to put on the pop-up itself. Sign up and save 10% is a nice simple one, and this is pretty good copy. It uses the submit button, which, as you know, I don't agree with. I think it should be, this one should say sign up or get me on the list or send me my coupon or something more action-oriented. But the design of this is fine. The second thing that really matters with these types of pop-ups is you test out the timing. And from timing, I mean they can come up immediately when you hit the page, so before you're even oriented, bang, there's a pop-up in front of you. Test it at 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Take a look at your bounce rates and take a look at your time on page, and just see when's a good time to put one of these pop-ups. I've seen a really dramatic difference between a 0-second timing and 60 seconds. So just think about those 2 things. What's a great offer that you can put on here, and what's the best timing to put them up, and test different variations of those. The third thing, and this is something that's a little bit different, the gateway pop-up is I can't get to this website unless I put my email address in. So the gateway pop-up, I know there's something that's there, and I know I want to get to it, but I'm not going to get there unless I put in my email address. Now, as you would expect, a lot of people will just not take the bait, and they will say it's not worth it, and I don't trust what's going on, and I don't want to do it, because they don't understand the value proposition of what's behind the pop-up. But in other situations, the gateway is going to basically lay it out for you. You'll understand what the value is, what the options are, and you'll put your email address in. In this case, there's a little, you might not be able to see it, but right in the center of the screen, what's your email? There's a little why question and a link to there that explains why they want your email address and essentially what they're going to do with it, kind of why they want you to join. So the gateway pop-up, a little bit more aggressive, but you only get people that are really, really interested in your content and that have expressed an interest in getting to that next stage. And with those people, you're basically getting a better qualified email address. So those are 3 simple ways to do pop-ups. It's not all the same. There's a lot of different things you can do. My advice is really 3 things. First of all, pop-ups work. It's not even a discussion. If you don't like them, don't try them. But if you don't know how to do them and you're not sure the best way to do them, try them. And again, not even a discussion. You get way better results with pop-ups with not using them. Most people don't like them and therefore won't use them. So they're missing out on an opportunity. Second thing is I would say split test everything. Try different variations, different copy, different layouts, different sizes, different timings. Set them for repeat visitors. Set them only one time. They'll only come to be displayed once. Set them on all pages. Set them on just the landing page. Basically try all kinds of things. You'll eventually find what is optimal for your site. And count your daily signups and just see what happens. So if you're getting 30 people a day joining your list, put the pop-ups up and you see that bump to 90, then that's a good indication that you're on the right track. And you start testing different variations on that. You might suddenly get to 120, and that's 4 times better than you were doing before. So that will definitely work in your favor. So that is a quick summation of 3 different styles of pop-ups. Hopefully you will take a chance and try them on a small scale. Just put them on a landing page somewhere in the back. You don't have to take them head on right at the beginning, and just see what they'll do for you. As always, you can go to ZinMarketing.com/help to learn how we can help out. We actually do all the work for you if you want to do email marketing properly, or we can teach you how to do it. We've got free video lessons and programs at nospamemailmarketing.com. Thanks very much. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time.